What's going on, everybody? This is day 28 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been running like 3 businesses for the last 3.5 years, and I want to help other entrepreneurs or people that are interested in becoming an entrepreneur either make this kind of money or see the ups and downs in business. So today I went to a really cool, it's called Sunday Froth. I went to an ice plunge community group, which is really amazing because I don't get outside of the house very much. So, because I'm working, I'm doing this all day. So I did that this morning. It is like 1:18, so I haven't even started work today, unfortunately. And if you did not see my last video, my parents helped me remodel this apartment, which is looking stunning already. Yeah, so today's just gonna be an easy day. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe down below. We are almost at 1,200 subscribers, which is amazing. You guys are killing it. And thank you everyone that has subscribed prior. We're killing it with views. We're getting up there, hopefully to get paid soon, which would be amazing with YouTube. Gonna do a little bit of mugboats fulfillments if you haven't seen my last videos. And by the way, I make videos every single day. That is my thing. We're on day 28. We're gonna finish up today. It's gonna be light work. It's Sunday, so it's gonna be another short video just like yesterday. But Monday, coming tomorrow, it's gonna be a way longer video. We got a lot to do, but today's gonna be chill. It's Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna also break down yesterday's revenue at the end of this video, so just stay tuned. See you then. I forgot I had to make this keychain by Monday, and I didn't have any more heat press products to get out, so I just decided to get this thing done. Got a couple mug boats ready to ship out tomorrow. I will be making more tomorrow. I'll be packaging up more tomorrow for sure. But like I said, it's Sunday. I don't want to do too much. And I also don't want to make an unnecessarily long video for you guys to watch, and it really has nothing to do with anything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now let's go break down yesterday's revenue and see how much we made. All right, so yesterday on eBay, we made $29.50. Not bad. And then on Amazon, we made $475.53. So a little less than yesterday, but that's okay. That happens, it's normal. And then, so yesterday's total ended up coming out to $505. All right, so this month's total, we are at $21,017 on day 28. So we're not doing horrible, but we need to be around $28,000. So hopefully we'll get there somehow. As a blessing, we get to 30K by the end of the month, but if not, it's okay. That is life, that is normal. I'm still very, very blessed and thankful for all of you being here and watching me in this journey. So much appreciated. And in saying that, thank you so much, guys. We are at 1,153 subscribers at this point on April 28th at 3:06 p.m. We've gained 222 subscribers in the last 28 days, 15,000, almost 16,000 views in the last 28 days, and watch time is at 288. You guys are killing it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed down below and you're interested in what I'm doing, I make a video every single day. So tomorrow will be day 29. We're almost at 1 month. So thank you all so much. I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Sunday.